Hey guys, it's Daniel again. This is my second BAP booster pump install. This is on my girl's 2017 Hellcat. She also races with me and kind of got her into it a couple of years ago. She's got the basic stuff too: pulley, 285 mid pipe, single piece drive shaft. But she's got a little skinnies and drag radial 17-inch setup. I don't have the 17-inch right now, but pretty much the same thing as my car. Everything the same right there. Boost reed, got her the separation thingy there with the built-in boost hose. And then the only difference on the Hellcats versus the Demons and the Red Eyes is they only have a single pump. So if you look at the candy belt plug and play, there is like actually just one pump controller there, and that's it. Otherwise the install is the same. You can get it from Kenny Bell for the same price, not the same price, but same setup with the plug-and-play system. So a little update on my Red Eye. Make sure if you have a Red Eye, a Demon, you get the 272 Hellraiser pulley, you have to get the new revised one. Me and two other cars here locally, 3 different shops, had a similar issues with our pulley rubbing up against the snout, the supercharger snout. It's a little bit of a difference on the supercharger snout per Metco and per people finding out when they use the 272 clutch pulley. You have to actually install it really tight, and if you don't, and when that happens and the metal expands over time, the belt tightens a little bit, it kind of like brings the two together. They start rubbing against each other, material off the snout starts wearing off, including possibly damaging your pulley. My car actually seized the other day. It got so tight that the pulley could no longer spin. So it's at the shop right now. We're gonna have to take the pulley off. Metco recommends taking 50 thousandths of an inch of material off the tip of the snout of the blower, and then reinstalling everything. So that's the update on my car. Otherwise, it was running really well till that happened, and I'm kind of very annoyed right now, but what are you gonna do? Just finding these things as I go along. Hope that helps everybody out in the future also. And if you're looking at this, please subscribe. I have some upcoming races, some more mods that I like to share with everyone. So that's it for today.